What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about the left function. Basically our issue here is we want to take the leftmost number of characters in any cell. Right here we're going to do the first two, and let's say there's a reason we can't break it out another way. We can't filter it, we can't do whatever, we just need to get a certain criteria. Maybe the data export we get is a certain syntax. All we do is equals left, you click what you want to see, then comma, and the number of characters. So right here, let's say we want to go 2. We hit 2, close it, and it's going to pull 1, 2. So we should just get AB right here. Yep, equals left, click there, comma, 2, close those parentheses, and there we go. Now we can do this, copy and paste it. So yeah, that works. Or you can do the old flash fill, click on here, double click, it goes down. But one of the cool things here, maybe you have 10,000 of these. That's not a problem. So all we do is, let's say, for example, we've got that many. We can't just count it off the top of our head. We want to see how many ABs, ACs, and so on. Here's where we're going to use left with the count function. So we'll go equals count. What's the value you want to see? Or count if, actually. So the range we want to look at is right here. Now we're going to use F4, so our reference doesn't change as we copy this down. It's always going to look right here. Like when we shift down, it won't shift this down. Comma, and what's the criteria? AB. Close those parentheses, hit enter. We've got 4. Then we're just going to double click. Hey, there we go. 4 of each and 2 BCs. So right here, AB, we have 1, just to double check, 2, 3, and 4. Looks right to me. That's the left function. Pretty cool, pretty quick, fairly painless, and hopefully it helps you out. If you've been liking this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.